As you put the pencil down, feel the stroke, how one stroke leads you into the next. It's making your eye move through form. We take and feel the flow. The arm is going with it. It's a rehearsing the stroke and going through. Lead the eye with the pencil. It's transition. Make the eye go from one point to the next. It's the flow. Each flow has its own feeling, though. If I do this, it has a different feeling. If I do that, it has a completely different feeling. But the essential thing is that it's always a transition from one point to the next. These are the basic tools. You bring 3 dimension to this by taking and going over the surface, around and over, follow through. Feel the surface that you're going across. It shows you what direction the form is going in space. You can make it go any which way you want it to go, just by going across and over the surface of the form. Look at the drawings of Da Vinci and Michelangelo, and you will see that they did complete figures just by using lines going over and around the form. A great exercise for taking and feeling that cross axis is just picking up an ellipse. You draw with your arm, not your fingers. My fingers don't move. It's follow through, follow through, follow through. Go over the surface,